Steel. Towel racks for bathroom, wall, door, home, kitchen etc. This space-saver towel bar is definitely a must for any small bathroom, as instead of taking up space, it gives you more. Swivel towel rack, perfect for hanging and organizing your face towel, bath towels and clothes in order. This 4-arm bronze towel bar support multiple use, can rotate 180 degrees, save a space. Beautiful oil-rubbed bronze towel holder finch, built to resist daily scratches, corrosions and tarnishing. Easy to install the wall-mounted towel bar with the included mounting hardware, to save space. Top reviews from the United States. Very solid and beautiful finish. We had a small space under a window and between the vanity and tub enclosure in our master bath. This area was the closest candidate location for a towel bar near our tub, but the typical straight, solid towel bars looked odd in this location. We spotted this on Amazon and decided to try it. The construction is super sturdy and the oil-rubbed bronze finish is beautiful, coordinating perfectly with the hardware on our vanity. This towel bar came with the necessary hardware and great installation instructions. Perfect solution for us.